Looking into phrasal verbs, unmasking the role of look. Hello everyone, welcome back to our series on intermediate English grammar. Today, we'll be delving into the fascinating world of phrasal verbs, specifically focusing on those that use the word look. Phrasal verbs can be a bit challenging, but don't worry, we'll demystify the role of look in these verbs and make the learning process fun and engaging. Before we dive into phrasal verbs with look, let's take a moment to understand what phrasal verbs are. Phrasal verbs are verbs that combine with prepositions or adverbial particles, and their meaning is often very different from the individual words. These combinations create a new, distinct meaning that is often not directly predictable from the words themselves. For example, look up doesn't always mean to physically tilt your head and look at something above you. It can also mean to search for information, as in, can you look up the recipe for apple pie? Look is a versatile word that, when combined with different prepositions or particles, can lead to a variety of meanings. The word look often suggests the idea of seeing, observing, or paying attention in some way, and many phrasal verbs with look build on these ideas. But, remember, the additional words can change the meaning significantly, creating unique phrases that English speakers use frequently. Here are some common examples. 1. Look after. This means to take care of someone or something. Example: can you look after my dog while I'm on vacation? 2. Look forward to. This means to anticipate something with excitement. Example: I'm looking forward to our dinner date tonight. 3. Look into. This means to investigate or research something. Example: we need to look into the details of the project. 4. Look out. This can mean to be careful or vigilant for potential danger. Example: look out. There's a car coming. 5. Look over. This means to review or examine something. Example: could you look over my report before I submit it? One of the best ways to understand and remember these phrasal verbs is to practice using them in your daily conversations or writings. Make up your own sentences or try rewriting sentences to include a phrasal verb with look. It might seem challenging at first, but with regular practice, you'll find yourself using these naturally. And there you have it. We've taken a close look at how look plays a key role in several common phrasal verbs. With time, patience, and practice, you'll be able to use these versatile expressions comfortably in your everyday English. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and every little step you take counts. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video has helped in your English learning journey. Stay tuned for more videos on phrasal verbs, and keep practicing. See you in the next video.